Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. Today I will teach you mathematics of grade 3. Today we are going to start our new topic, place value, page number 6. Today we will learn about place value, and again I have story for you, so let's start. He is Adil, and Adil loved to play with blocks. Adil had 999 blocks. If we explain according to place value, then Adil had 9 hundreds, 9 tens, and 9 ones. Well, suddenly he found one more block and added 8 to the others. Now he had 10 ones which he changed into 1 tens. So what happens when Adil adds one more block to 999 blocks? He found he had 10 tens, which he changed into 100. Now he had 10 hundreds or 1000 blocks. Adil knew 100 had a special name, but he just could not remember it till his friend reminded him. So we are going to discuss briefly fourth digits number. Remember 1000s. These blocks can help you understand and count the numbers. Well, what number is shown by the place value blocks? So here we have several sets of place value blocks, some with many blocks and some with just single blocks stacked on top of each other, and we want to know what number is presented by all of the blocks combined. So let's start over here with the single blocks stacked on top of each other because it will be easiest one to count. And these are just single blocks ones stacked on top of each other, so we can count them. We will see. So there is 9 blocks right here. Now moving over, now we have column of ones, and each of these column here is 9 because 9 is on with this other 9 column plus one more is 10. So each of these columns has 10 blocks. These are tens. Well, how many tens do we have? We have 5 sets of tens or 50. So we have 50 blocks here plus 9. More in that last column. Moving over, now we have these columns of 10, but it's several columns of 10 stuck together to make sort of like a slab. How many columns of 10 are in this slab? Count them. So there is 10 rows of 10 or 10 columns of 10, which is a total of 100. So each of these slabs is 100. And how many slabs do we have? We have 2 slabs. A second one back there, so we have 200. And then finally squishing it over a little bit. Here we have these slabs of 100. These sets of 100 are stacked together. So there is one set of 100 here. then another set behind it, and another, and so on. So let's count how many hundreds this is. We have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, and that last one makes it 1000. So these are thousands, and how many thousands are there? There are 2000s. We're gonna look at all the amounts we had. We had 2000s block plus 200 more blocks plus 50 more blocks plus 9 blocks. We add these all values. When we add these all values, we get 2259 blocks. I'm sure you have understood today's topic. Hopefully there will be no confusion. And one more important thing, I have a home task for you. You will do practice on page number 7. Solve all the parts. First of all, you count the blocks, then write it in the box, and then draw the beads on the abacus according to your answer. Okay, then we have next page, page number 8. You will write the names of these numbers like you have 4824. You can write this amount like 4000, FOUR4THOUSAND, thousand, EIGHT 8, HUNDRED 100, and 24 in same way. Okay, that's the end of my lecture. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.